What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we will be playing real car parking. I have here a Lexus, and now I will customize it because I do not like what it looks like. And after I customize it, let's take it for a drive. Okay, so gearbox is good. Let's reset it so it doesn't break. Now let's go to tuning to see the engines. Okay, we're good. Let's go back. Let's see how much horsepower. 306 horsepower. That is not enough. Okay, so now I need a turbo tuning. A regular turbo will do fine. Now new brakes. And exhaust. Now, yeah, and this 735 horsepower. That's cool. Now let's change the exterior color. Let's see. Nah. Those look good like that, but I don't like the rims. Let's see. Do these look better? I think they do. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm back, guys. So I think that those look good. Let's put this right up here. Now I think black is good. I like this car in black. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go back. Let's check it out. The suspension is good. So now let's take a drive. Okay. Okay, guys, let's look inside. Oh, dang it, I didn't download the skin. So let's go drive it. Oh, crap, this thing is fast. Ooh, Wow, I'm a good driver, but that is a really fast car. Let's check the modes. So parking sensor, yes. Now let's go back to fix that engine. That's way too fast, guys. So, redrive. Yeah, let's go to tuning. Let's reset. Let's get a V10. 500 horsepower. That's good. I have cars with 500 horsepower that have normal driving. So yeah, guys, I really like this game. I played it a lot. It's a good game. Yeah, let's go. Like this. It is good. Whoa, that car got way too close. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around later. I'm just gonna turn on autopilot. Yeah, I'm gonna go in between these guys. Stop. Whoa. Here, I'm gonna turn around right here. Give me a sec, guys. Gotta fix something. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to fix something. So yeah, let's take a turn right here. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was pretty bad. So yeah. Let's go at a low speed. Ooh, McDonald's. See what they have here. Oops, my bad. Turn. So yeah. I'll park here. I like this game because it's like GTA and you can play it like this. So yeah. So I like that you can play like GTA 5, but you can't kill anybody, which is good. You can't go to jail, which is good. Dang it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna lock my car. And now let's go in here into the McDonald's. Oh crap. See what's going on. Okay, pretty good. Another exit. I have a truck and it ran over this car. That's why this car's turned like that. I don't get it when you crash or when they crash you, their vehicles don't get damaged, but yours does. That's what I don't get. And I don't like it either. So, yeah, I think that's not cool. That if their vehicle gets wrecked or something, like if you crash it, I don't get how their vehicle stays fine and mine stays destroyed. Oh god, it deactivated. No! Okay. Okay, there it is. It worked now. Sometimes the cars shut off and they turn off by themselves and they don't want to start. See? Like it happened right now. I'm pushing the brake and it doesn't work. Trying to turn the steering wheel, doesn't work. The car has turned off. Okay, there it is. Woo! Dang it. Dang! Repair that. Back to normal. Okay, so let's turn right here. Oh, we have to turn. It says to turn. Okay. Let's go over this. Turn right here. Whoa! Dang! They literally just hit me real hard. I want to see what the damages are, so I'm not gonna let them go. I'm gonna let the other vehicle go, but not the truck. Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys seen me play this game before with the McLaren, the P1. It's a pretty fast car. Dang, bro. They literally hit the front. Oh my god. Let's fix it. And let's go home. And yes, I have a house, guys. I'm not sure if in any of my videos you've seen it. But yeah. I have a house that I bought. Oh good, I have rear view mirrors. Okay. I'm just gonna turn. Holy crap. Okay, so yeah. Let's turn right here. I have a Lamborghini that I never use. It's the Lamborghini Huracan. I have the Lamborghini, forgot what it's called. I have 4 Lamborghinis. I have a Lamborghini Huracan, a Lamborghini, There's one that like that has no roof and that it has like a straight back. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cool because it has no roof. It's a convertible and I like it. It's pretty cool. And I have a Lamborghini. I forgot what his name was. I think it was Veneno. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Veneno. Yeah, it was Veneno. And I also have the Lamborghini. I have the Lamborghini. What's it called? I know I have another Lamborghini because I've used it before. It's not a Lamborghini Urus. I know there's a Urus. I mean, it's not that car, but it is a Lamborghini. It's an Aventador. Yeah, Lamborghini Aventador. I use it a lot. So I might as well just use my Huracan later and do some adjustments. Or use another car, maybe my G-Wagon. Or my Jeep. This thing does some sharp turns, so I'm just gonna adjust the steering sensitivity. So yeah, I have a drift car. I go to this track back here. It's like a really small car, and I go drift because this part, it's like pretty good for drifting. See what I mean? So let's go to the house and go get the car. Even though my car's not there, let's take this back to the house. Or to the parking garage, which is right here. Just take the car out. I hope I don't crash. Oh, yes. It's better if I take it to the house. I'll go pretty fast so that I don't bore you guys. So you guys don't get bored. Okay, guys. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, gosh. That was not a good turn. And if you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm in a university with my mom and my sister. Pretty sure it doesn't matter, but ooh. Okay, I didn't crash, which is good. I'm gonna park my car right here. Just gonna turn on, I'll go all the way to the end. And yeah, I purchased that house for $500,000. It was worth the work. So, yeah, guys. Tell me which car I should use. Comment down in the comment section and tell me which car I should use from all of the cars that I have. I have like 32 cars, 33 cars. Yeah, some of them are pretty ugly. Some of them are pretty good. Oh, I thought that was my house. Some of them are really nice and fast. Some of them are just really ugly. Like, really, really ugly. So ugly that I think that you guys would hate if I used them. Too close. But, just a break. Let's go here to settings. Let's go to main menu. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go back to free drive. Let's go back to the car that I was telling you. Here's the Lamborghini Aventador. I'm happy that it was right behind it. It's really fast. I have like 2 Ferraris, I think. Here's the McLaren that I was telling you about the other video. The Corvette Z06. Oh God, I love this car. If you guys can see right there where it says 1,202, that's the horsepower that this car has. This is faster than a Bugatti. I've beaten so many people with this in the multiplayer, but I don't have Wi-Fi right now, so I can't play multiplayer. Well, I do, but the connection is bad. Oh crap. Okay, so This is not the Volkswagen for me to drift. It looks like it. The same color, same rims. But no, it's not the car. So, yeah, this Mustang is pretty good. But no, it's way too fast. Too much power. Oh, did you guys see that Koenigsegg? Yep, nobody can beat this car. Not even my Dodge Supercharger. Well, it's a Charger. But I like to call it Supercharger because I supercharged it. So, yeah. And here's a Civic. Oh, my Porsche. I love this vehicle. It's pretty good, pretty fast. So Bugatti right here, the Veyron. And my supercharger beats that car. The Porsche Panamera. A Hyundai, BMW. My Jeep. Let's see if I can find my G-Wagon. An Audi. My Mercedes-Benz. I never used this car. My Lamborghini Huracan. I'll use this after the drift car, maybe. An Audi. Oh, I used that little Civic right there to drift also. Here's my Ferrari. My Subaru for drifting. I thought I had one Lexus. I had two. Oh well. And the Scion, pretty good for drifting. Camaro does nothing. Oh, here's my G-Wagon. I use this car for off-roading. This car for drifting. Here is the beast. Okay, so it may have only 9. Oh wait, I thought I had. Well, this car has a lot of power. And when I say a lot of power, this can be any car. Not my supercharger or my Bugatti or any other car that's over 1,000 horsepower. But it can beat any car that's below 925 and 1,000 horsepower. So I put a V6, a V12 engine in it, even though it doesn't fit. In the game you can do it. I put a new chip. I put a new exhaust for it to be louder. I put whatchamacallit? So first I'm gonna go to the house. Whoa. Did you guys see that launch? So I'll show you a launch from right here. I hope no car appears. So yeah. Dang. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little while to edit this video. Okay, so ready? Push the e-brake. Am I pushing it? I do not know. So yeah, you see the revolutions? 1, 2, 3, go. That car's really fast. Oh my god. Oh. So yeah, this game is freezing. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Let's go to the drift track. So let's fix this up a little bit. Let's take off the stability hub. Let's take off ESP, ABS, and TCS. So let's resume. Oh yeah, one more thing. Parking sensor. Oh dang it, I have 15%. But yeah, let's do a little bit more, and that's it. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I know that I'm using my regular channel as my vlog channel, but I'm supposed to do that, but I also use my regular channel as my gaming channel, even though I already have another gaming channel. The thing is, I have problems with my gaming channel, and it doesn't work. Sometimes the videos don't even come out. I posted 3 videos yesterday, and none of them came out. Like, none of them are in YouTube. And a few of my videos are flinching. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do some drifting for you guys for all of the days that I've missed. So yeah, let's go. Stop right here and go. Cause yeah, I know I'm just spitting and stuff. Oh crap, I'm gonna go into the ocean. So yeah guys, so I'll see you. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.